Hi guys, Jeremy Bly here from the Secret Forex Club, and what I want to do today, I want to get really to basics and actually show you how to actually execute a trade. Now, funnily enough, there's so much out there that shows you trading strategies, indicators, all these things actually. But you know when I speak to a lot of our members that have opened a live account and actually never got started trading themselves, one of the things is they said they didn't know where to start, and obviously where you start is to obviously be able to place a trade. So this is MetaTrader 4 platform. It should look something like this. If you actually click on new order, you can see here normally whatever graph you've got on it will actually open obviously that symbol. Now what you've got here is symbol, you've got your different instruments, or what's otherwise known as pairs. So you've got the Euro USD, you've got the obviously pound, you've got the pound versus the dollar, you've got the dollar versus the Japanese yen. Now what we're looking at here, so what we're going to do, we're looking at the pound versus the dollar. Now that's obviously the symbol. The volume, this is how large you want. Now we could do a standard lot, but what we're going to do on here, we're going to do 0.5 of a lot, and we see that this is the actual price at the moment. This is your sell price and your buy price. You see there it's just under 1.56. It's actually 1.5595, and what we're going to do, we're going to put our stop loss at 1.5650. Take profit, you can leave that blank or you can put the take profit in. What we're going to do here, we're going to put the take profit in at 1.5495. So we're looking to make 105 pips. We're risking 55 pips, so we're looking at about a 2-to-1 reward ratio. Instant execution is what you need here, and then you simply just click on the sell button. Before you do that, just check that you've got everything right, and there we go. That's how you execute a trade. So there we go. It's a really simple stuff, and on your graphs it will show you where your stop loss areas are and your take profit areas. In actual fact, you can actually just left click on these and raise these lines up and down as you want to do them. I'd always recommend that you go in there and you actually type it out. It is obviously a lot easier. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to see this trade sitting on here. What you can do, you can actually set your profit on to show you the profit in monetary terms. I like to show it as points. So you know, at the moment we're minus 4.1 points. Obviously this trade that we took a few days ago is 201 pips up, which is great. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you now how, if you wanted to modify the trade in any way, it's really simple. You just go up to where your trade is on here, and you just double click on it and it will come up. Now obviously you've got instant execution. You don't want to do that because you'd be putting on a new trade. So what you want to do is you just want to click on the drop down box, go down to modify order, and then if we wanted to say change the stop loss, we can obviously do that quite easily. Obviously what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it as it is though, and because there's not, in fact what we'll do, I'll just change it slightly. We'll put that to 1.5655. You see how this thing comes up. We can then click on it, and there you go, you've modified the order. So it's really simple stuff, guys. It's not rocket science, and hopefully with this you can get trading. If you've got a very small account, I definitely wouldn't recommend trading 0.5 of a lot. You can trade as low if you have a 1 to 500 leverage of 0.01, which is basically around about 10 cents per pip. So gives you lots of room for maneuver, lots of room to make your mistakes and everything else, without trading too high and blowing up your account. So like I say, there will be some additional videos I'll be putting in there, but this is the first of many, which is basically just very simply how to get started trading on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Many thanks.